If you want to master testing SMD components on the board without removing it, this video is for you. I'm going to teach you how to test ICS, ceramic capacitors, transistors, AC voltage regulators, crystal diodes, chain resistors, Zener diodes, 8-pin MOSFETs, 3-terminal diodes, and much more. Let's get started. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And for anyone who wants excellent learning, I can be your mentor. All links are in the description. So first, let's select the continuity mode on the ceramic capacitors. Let's begin with ceramic capacitors, the most failed and shortest component in every board. To test a ceramic capacitor, it's easy. One probe here, another probe there. We get a high reading. This is a Jude sound capacitor. This one here, no beep, no continuity, means it's good. This one, also, same thing. This one, same. So guys, once you don't get a short like this, it means the ceramic capacitor is serviceable. Diode. Let's move on to diodes. This is basically SMD. Here we have cathode and anode. Why do you see this stripe or line over here? This means this is the cathode. So, the black probe on the cathode, the red probe on the anode. We get a reading on the multimeter about 190, this 180, the same reading. But if I swap the probe's red probe on the cathode, black probe on the on or nothing, no reading, means this is a good deal. Let's check this one. Also, no reading when I swap the probes means good diode. ICS, what about ICS? Basically, I'll give you 3 methods. Of course, the good method is by using the datasheet and checking inputs and outputs, but the datasheet is not available all the time. Don't worry, I'll give you 3 methods to check the serviceability of ICS without the datasheet. First method, check the ceramic capacitors connected to the IC or around it. All ICS have ceramic capacitors around them, could be 1, 2, or more. This 180, as you can see, has several capacitors. For example, this one, no short. This one, no short. We have a high reading here, no short. This one, no short. No beep means the IC is not shorted. 100%. Resistors. To test resistors, we have to select the EOM option on the By the way, I'm changing the multimeter because the first one doesn't have all options. Okay, let's begin and test this SMD resistor. We have 1033, means the number of zeros. So this is a 10,000 or 10 kilo ohm resistor, 10,000 ohms. So we select 20,000 on the Let's check. One probe here, another there. We have to get 10, as you can see. We get 9.8, meaning this is a good resistor. Okay, what about this one here? We have 4 7 inches and 3 zeros, 3 zeros. I mean, this is 47K. Let's check, as you can see. We have 45.6. This is amazing. Okay. The last one, we have 2 inches and zeros. This means 2.2 kilo ohms. So one probe here, another there. As you can see, I get 2.2 good voltage regulators. We've reached the most important moment, how to test voltage regulators. This is basically an LD117, a very known voltage regulator. I'll teach you how to test it just using the continuity option, as you can see on the multimeter, without applying voltage to its input. Here, this pin is connected to ground. You see, this trace means ground. Here we have the input because ceramic capacitors are connected to this part. So here, input, here, ground, and this is the output. But look at this one. Between this pin and this pin, we have continuity. Here also, continuity. All 4 pins are connected means this is a bad switch. Sometimes you'll find components like transistors or MOSFET, TS3 terminal components. This is not a MOSFET or transistor. We have D, meaning double D. This component contains 2 diodes inside. I can easily prove it. Black probe here, red probe there. You see the first diode here. We have the signal diode. If it were a transistor or MOSFET, we'd get just 1 reading, not 2. Same for this one. First diode, second diode. Thank you very much. I hope you understand. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And for anyone who wants to accelerate learning, you can join me on my page where you'll find many schematics to download and exclusive content. If this story resonated with you, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Your feedback encourages the creation of more stories like this. Thank you for listening. Until next, Chimi!